I'm having problems with my Keychron K10HE keyboard not connecting to my computer. I will try to connect it in all three modes according to your email and recording the video. So first of all, Bluetooth, forced pairing. So I'm gonna unplug it. I'm gonna switch it to Bluetooth. Okay. Going to add a device, Bluetooth, searching. Nothing's coming up. I'm gonna hit function 1 to force it. Nothing. Control 1. Nothing. Function 2. Nothing. Control 2. Nothing. Does not show up. Let's try the 2.4 gigahertz connection. So I'm going to switch it to the G. Oops. Switch to G. Windows. Okay, that's plugged in. It's plugged in there. Let's go to the instructions for forced pairing. So, unplug the receiver. Unplugged. Switch the mode to 2.4, which is done. Press and hold function 4 for 3 to 4 seconds. Function 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The indicator light is not flashing. I'm going to plug this back in. Function 4, try that again, nothing. 2, 3, 4, nothing. It's not working that way. Your third one shows that it doesn't respond while in wired mode. Unplug in the dongle. Switch this to wired mode in the middle. Plug this in. And by the way, this has been plugged in for 24 hours and the light's still red. Okay, so it is plugged in here. Keychron launcher. Connect. Connecting to here. Connect. It is connected. However, none of the keys are working. So when I'm doing a key test, okay, nothing is working. Okay, the lights aren't working on here. It is not connecting.